Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling Irie as we have another pick a card reading for you today. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. We are going to be exploring who has a crush on you again this week as we've created, okay, a deck, okay, to help to describe this person and who they could be, their interests, their hobbies, okay, any physical attributes they may have, okay. And we also have the who has a crush on you deck, okay. So we're also going to be using this deck, okay, in the readings to explore. So I'm quite excited about this and I hope you are too. So I hope you get your tea, get your snacks, because we are going to get into it. Hey. One guarantee. T-Sippers, one guarantee. T-Sippers, one guarantee. Welcome to Super, yeah. So we have pile one, pile two, and pile three. So go to that number that's calling you as we gather those juicy intuitive gems. And if you just want to go through and gather those intuitive gems in each pile, you can do so too. You know, take what resonates and leave the rest. So if you are new here, welcome, big up yourself, and to our subscribers, big up every time. So at Wagwan Tarot, we like to, do tarot with a bit of flavor, okay, a little bit of okay, juicy. Okay, so sometimes we'll channel in like a lot of songs, a lot of messages, love messages, and things like that. So get comfortable. Okay, welcome. Okay, we like to bring in positive vibes around here, and I, also love to sing as well. Okay, it's very healing, and it allows those healing messages to come through. And our ethos, okay, in our readings is all about self-love and empowerment, and trusting your intuition and using your discernment. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let us know what you are sipping on today. Love to engage with you all, okay? So before we begin, as we explore who has a crush on you, okay, we're going to bring in some good gratitude energy, okay? So thank you, universe. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive in this who has a crush on you pick a card reading. May this reading resonate with the collective and allow the collective to gather the juicy details on who this person could be, who has a crush on them. May they take the messages, okay, that resonate and leave the rest, and allow them to trust their intuition and to use their discernment, because we're all about empowerment at Gwan Tarot and Tea. So thank you. All right, pile one, pile two, and pile three. We will see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan mid generals. So we're on pile one and we're exploring who has a crush on you. Now we're exploring this reading again, okay, for this week, as we would like to explore now with some new decks. Okay, we've got a guess who, okay, to help describe who this person is deck, and we also have got who has a crush on you deck. So we're going to see what messages want to come through for the collective who chose pile one. So if you are new here, welcome, big up yourselves. To our subscribers, big up every time. Wagwan simply means what is going on in Jamaican patois, and that's what we're going to be doing here, okay? As we like to at Wagwan Tarot do tarot with a bit of flavor, okay? So you're getting some Jamaican proverbs in the mix as well. So let's have a look and see Gwan for pile one. And let us know what you are sipping on today. I'm sipping on some water today. Okay, put it in the comments below. Let us know. Okay, of the message, if you want to say a little hello, you can feel free to do so as well. Okay, so big up yourselves. All right, who has a crush on you? So who has a crush on you? We have the Three of Pentacles, okay? Now the Three of Pentacles is telling us that someone who has a crush on you, it could be someone that you work with, okay? It could be someone who has been discussing you to their friends, perhaps family, their circle. It feels like they could be trying to seek advice on how they should maneuver in this situation. Now, we've also got another little inkling because it's fallen on pile one. So this could be someone who is seeking a new beginning, or it could be a new love interest, okay? And it's someone who wants to work in partnership with you, okay? Now, they could be already working in partnership with you or in collaboration with you, okay? It could be someone in a work environment. It could be someone where you're doing some kind of teamwork, group work. Now, whether it could be, let's say, a work environment, a study environment, okay? For those who are studying, okay? It feels like there is some kind of, this person is attracted to you, and it feels like there might be clues in their body language, okay, and how they come towards you, how they address you. There might be little clues here. Now, you might be, if you're watching this, you might be sensing who this person could be, or it could be a mystery person to you also, okay? So what we're going to do is explore using those new decks, okay, that we've designed for these who has a crush on you readings, and we're going to see what wants to come through. Okay, now there could also be a mutual friend, okay, involved as well between you and this person. So let's have a look and see what else wants to come through. So we're going to start with the Jamaican proverbs first, as the Jamaican proverbs is a really good way. Okay, it's like message from the ancestors to see what additional message it wants to give us. So who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Reveal the Jamaican proverb that resonates with this reading for the collective who chose pile one. Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Ooh la la. We have every collective. We just said that there could be a mutual friend, and the proverb that's come through is every best friend has a best friend. Every best friend has a best friend. In the Jamaican style, every best friend have a best friend. Darling, every best friend have a best friend. Okay, so every best friend have a best friend. Okay, so this is saying be mindful that of friendships, okay, and discussions with others. What is going on with this Three of Pentacles? What's going on here? Okay, now we're going to do a bit of tarot school. Okay, at Gwan, Tarot, Auntie. What do you see in the Three of Pentacles? Okay, let us know. Put it in the comments down below. But there's messages here, okay, of discussions, talking, again, collaboration, teamwork, okay, seeking advice, maybe consulting, okay, trying to maybe see, or there could be like conversations about, should I talk to this person? Should I let them know? Should I put put it all out there and make this person know this is how I feel about them? Or would it impact the project that we're doing? Would it impact the work environment that we are in? Would it make it awkward? Would it make it difficult if it's unrequited? If this person's not interested in me? So it feels like there's a lot of those kind of thoughts going on, but also paying attention to the energy of number one. Okay, in numerology and in the tarot, it also represents, think of the Fool energy, new beginnings, new start. Okay, so there could be somebody who wants a new beginning. There could be someone who wants a new start. Okay, if this could also be a past love. Okay, that may be trying to seek advice also. Okay, and who still has feelings for you, but it feels like it's somebody who wants to come towards you. But they are trying to seek the best advice and maybe consult with elders or consult with people who are experienced in relationships, okay? And maybe even talking to people who have been married for a long time, perhaps parents or family members, okay? Or be seeking that advice, maybe even listening to like podcasts or like commentary from people who've like have been in long-term committed relationships. Now, collective, if you haven't already, please do have a look at the collective reading. Okay, the last collective reading. We'll put it in the comments down below because there's a lot of messages coming through. The reading, the collective reading is their late night thoughts. Okay, because while the downloads are coming through, the message that's coming through is that there is a lot of messages that was resonating in the collective love tarot reading for pile one, okay, on their late night thoughts. And it feels like this person that could be seeking advice, okay, because especially it's fallen on the Three of Pentacles, which is actually a really good. The Three of Pentacles represents the energy of a really good card. This is someone who is this is someone who wants to seek advice, learn, okay, collaborate, okay. There's definitely those energies coming through. Someone who they want to put their best foot forward. So it's someone, it feels like someone who does have the good intentions of wanting to get to know you and also wanting to see, okay, how should I best maneuver in this situation? Okay, because I don't want to make anything awkward or anything. Like, it feels like this person is like being very thoughtful at this time. Perhaps it could be resulting to maybe some cautious energy. Okay, and perhaps that could be cautious energy on both sides. But there's the energy of with the one that they want to start anew. But it does feel like there could be, very much a new love interest here. Okay, and perhaps it could be someone who maybe the cards might tell us also that it might be someone that you least expect, or it could be someone. This could be someone on your mind right now. The person on your mind right now. Okay. Oi, 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 oi. Ooh la la. So we're gonna have a look now. We're gonna use this deck, Guess Who Love Oracle. Okay. And we're going to use the Who Has a Crush on You deck. So let's start with the Who Has a Crush on You deck. So reveal the messages for pile one, okay, that the collective need to see. Okay, who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. It allows me to connect with your energy. Okay, and to channel those messages. Who has a crush on you? All right, I'm going to take a sip of some water, okay, and we're going to sing what we like to do to bring in some good vibrant energy, okay, to allow those energies to really come through. We sing our song, which is called Shuffle Baby. So let's take a collective sip before we do, okay? I'm sipping on my water. Let us know what you are sipping on. Right. And we're going to allow these energy to just flow. Let this energy flow on who has a crush on you. Okay? We're going to sing that song. Who has a crush on you? Ooh, it's coming through already. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Okay. Any more? Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Okay. Got one. One that's fallen on the floor. All right. So I'll just quickly get that one that's fallen on the floor. Told you there's a lot of energy here, collective. A lot of energy. All right. So let's have a look and see what this person wants to say. Okay. We have here, he carries himself with confidence and grace. So this person may carry themselves, or maybe when they see you, they may like really try to broaden their shoulders and and just appear confident, even if at times they might not always be. Okay. There's an air of mystery. Now, this word came through earlier. This sense of there could be some, perhaps it's like the energy of maybe someone that you might least expect, or you might expect this person, okay? So there's an air of mystery around him that's intriguing. So around this person that is intriguing. You've seen him volunteer or help others selflessly. Now, this person could have done this maybe they've noticed that you was observing, or you was looking, or they wanted to also to do this to impress you. Okay. Perhaps this could be also what this Three of Pentacles is suggesting or telling us. Okay. Perhaps they've like helping others or giving advice to others. Okay. His kindness shines through his actions. His kindness shines through his action. So already this person is coming across as someone who's very caring, okay? Likes to help and support one another. Let us know if who this person could be for you, collective. We have, you often catch him glancing your way. So you often catch him glancing your way. Oi, 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 oi. His hair is tousled in that effortlessly cool way. So there's something about him that's very cool, very calm, collected. He appears very confident, okay? Again, that broad shoulders, okay? I wouldn't be surprised if there's something to do with voice, okay? That pops up. He's an excellent cook and loves to experiment with recipes. Now, perhaps you may have had a discussion about cooking, or talking about food or anything like that with this person. Okay. Perhaps you may know this person from like a cooking class, a project. Okay. He has a quiet, so this energy is coming through again. He has a quiet confidence that draws people in. He enjoys playing sports and staying fit. Okay, so this person enjoys staying, like playing sports and staying fit. Perhaps you may know this person from a leisure facility, a gym facility. Okay. His hands are strong yet gentle when he touches you. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. His playful teasing brings a smile, okay, to your face. Ooh la la. His voice has, look at this. Oi, 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 oi. So the voice has come through. His voice has a soothing, captivating quality. So it's soothing, but it's that kind of like, oh my God, oh my, okay, woo. It feels like it's like, you know, it sweeps you off your feet if you're not too careful. We have here his thoughtful gestures show how much he cares. So this person, they may operate in that, perhaps like their love and love rewind. Okay, sometimes we have some rewind moments when, you know, the messages want to come through, but the mouthpiece isn't always in sync. Okay. But his thoughtful gestures show how much he cares. So this could be one of his like this person's love language. Okay, and like maybe they like to give like acts of service as a way that they show their care, because there's definitely lots of like caring attributes to this person. Okay, we have his eyes are a window to his mysterious soul. So his eyes are a window. We have you feel like you've known him forever, even if you have just met this person. Okay, there's this feeling like perhaps maybe even like a spiritual connection, a past life. He has a charming smile that lights up a room. Okay, so it feels like, you know, this person, if they walk into a room, okay, they just have a way of just captivating. Maybe their voice, you know, people listening and engaging. Okay, and you could be seeing this and observing it and noticing it and going, raw, ooh la la. Hey, okay. You often find him lost in thought, deep in his own worlds. His creativity shines through in everything he does. He has a knack for making you laugh, even on bad days. His eyes hold secrets that he is yet to share with anyone. So, before we move on to the second deck, okay, to help describe any other like attributes of this person, we're going to look into the Simply Deep Tarot, and we want to see if there's anything that wants to come through for this person on who has a crush on you. Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? We have the Ten of Wands and we have the Two of Wands. Okay, now I'm going to read it upright. Okay, we have the Two of Wands, so it's definitely saying, okay, with the Two of Wands now, and if we'll read it upright and we'll read it in the other position. With the Two of Wands, okay, this could be telling us that this is someone who wants to come towards you. It could be someone who wants to make a call. It could, you know, someone who wants to take action on coming towards you. Okay, look at the imagery. It's like they're visualizing, hoping that maybe that could be the end result. Now, with the Ten of Wands, okay, the Ten of Wands, and we've seen a lot of Wands. This so far it's Wands energy. Perhaps you could be dealing with someone who's a fire sign. Okay, maybe there could be a fire and earth energy going on here between you two. Okay, or it's just the energy that's operating, okay, in this connection. But with the Wands energy representing the fire energy, so think of Leo, okay, Sagittarius and Aries. With the Ten of Wands, it feels like there is a lot of burden energy. So perhaps it could be in some kind of environment where it's like a group setting. Perhaps this person is trying to find those times where they can maybe speak to you on a one-to-one, or if like the message is coming through like a near a water cooler or near a kitchen, or okay, or maybe during a lunch period of some sort, okay, or even maybe through passing a hallway, okay, if or walkway. It feels like this person is really wanting to say how they feel, but they could be just feeling like perhaps there might be times where you might be working in different in like a different environment, or perhaps there could be something to do with timing, okay, with you and this person, okay, or perhaps like when this person is free, you are not free, and vice versa, okay. So it feels like this, it could have also created like a block or some kind of barrier in the two of you coming towards one another. Now, there could also be this with the Ten of Wands, this energy of should I step forward? Should I move forward? Should I take action? Let's have a look and see what's here in the front, the middle, and the back. Yes, because we have the Four of Pentacles. Okay, the Four of Coins, the Four of Pentacles. So this is telling us that this person does have a lot of deep feelings. Okay, and those deep feelings could also be affecting them on how they maneuver at this time. Now, with the pentacles representing that earthy energy, okay, it could have something to do with a work environment, a study environment, okay. And this could also be what is making this person feel kind of unnerving at this time, like should I go and should I do this? Okay, what if it works against me? What if this person doesn't feel the same way? Okay, now we have, look at this, the Seven of Cups. So the Seven of Cups is telling us, okay, that there is lots of thoughts and feelings going on here, and it feels like this person is really trying to seek clarity. They could also be trying to like contemplate, should I do this? Perhaps they could be trying to find different distractions, okay, maybe like listening to music or trying to continue. Let's say if they do have a fitness routine or they have some kind of hobby and interest, they could be trying to do that in the meantime, so that they are focusing on different things rather than focusing on their love interests. Okay. Now let's have a look here. Yes, we have the Six of Swords. So the Six of Swords is telling us that it's like this person is feeling, should I walk away from this? Should I move away from this? But if you look at the energy here from this figure in the boat, it's like this person doesn't want to do that. But then they're thinking maybe, you know, ultimately I do want harmony from this, and we can kind of see that with the Six of Swords. So there might be this energy of thinking maybe I might have to find a different way on how to maneuver, okay? Because if we can see so far with the Ten of Wands, the Four of Cups, sorry, I mentioned the Four of Cups, but there could be this. If we see Four of Cups, I wouldn't be surprised. The Four of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups, there's an energy of thinking, should I continue this? Okay, and we can see this again with the moon. The moon's giving us a deep clue, okay, that there is a lot of hidden feelings that this person wants to release. They want to let go of those feelings. And look at that sun really trying to come through. That sun is really kind of telling us that there is a lot of energy here, but it's kind of like in that stagnant energy of someone feeling like they don't want to get too excited and say how they feel, okay? Because look at that, the Six of Cups. It feels like this person does want to, with the Six of Swords and the Six of Cups, that they do want to express themselves, okay? And perhaps it could be someone who may try to share like fond memories or fond moments, or they are trying to have those little one-to-one moments, okay, or they even look forward to those one-to-one moments with you during their day, okay, because what we have behind here is the Page of Coins just before the moon, so the Page of Pentacles. So this is kind of giving us an energy, okay, that there is an energy of someone who is thinking, should I put all my eggs in this basket and run with it, or will this, what if this person is not into me like the way I am? Okay, and we can see that with the Three of Pentacles here again. The Three of Pentacles popping through again. But it's in the reverse position this time. So it's definitely this person's feeling like, is this the right thing to do? To come out there, like put myself out there and tell. We're going to call you Jane. Tell Jane how I feel. So if this is like messages from John, okay, we'll call this person John. This is how they could be feeling at this time. Should I go and put all of put all my feelings out there, and it might not be reciprocal, it may not be the same things, okay, that maybe Jane is looking for, okay? So let's have a quick chakra check and see what's going on with this person. We're going to look at the colors and see what is going on here. So who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Let's have a quick look at their chakras. So we've got quite a few going on here, collective. If we start here, let's have the Four of Pentacles, okay? And look what's behind our Four of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. So someone wanting to make a choice, okay? Release that juggling act that they may be juggling, that should I do this or should I do that, okay? Now, we can see that we have the heart chakra. So this is very much telling us, it's like they're feeling like, should I connect with how my heart is feeling, and should I go run with that? So we can see that it's kind of creating a blockage here, okay? Now, two crowns, okay, let's the purple representing that crown, and we can also say the third eye, but we'll say the crown chakra here. There's definitely a lot of thinking going on, and we can see that with the Seven of Cups, okay? There's a lot of thinking, feeling, there's a lot of it feels like they're kind of really, there's like a stuck energy, and we can see that stuck energy with that Four of Pentacles. We also have the solar plexus. So the messages came through that, they may walk with this air and confidence. However, that air and the air of confidence may also be blocking them when it comes to really communicating what they really want to say. Okay, and we can see that with the throat chakra. Okay, so the blue representing that throat chakra, they're not saying what they really want to say. And we have the root chakra, okay, which is located here. Now that represents the energy of stability and security. So you can see there's a wobbly feeling at this time. And because there's a lot of should I do this? Should I do that? What if Jane is not into me like that? Okay, I'm feeling Jane, but what if Jane is not feeling me? Am I gonna put myself out there? Maybe, and I feel like this is why we're seeing the Three of Pentacles, okay? Because the Three of Pentacles is really telling us this is what this person's kind of going through. They may be seeking advice, okay? Seeking advice from maybe experienced people. Perhaps this person may have been it feels like this person may have not been dating for a while, or they feel like they're a bit out of date, or it feels like this person is really good in lots of things that they do. They might be very talented, very skilled, but when it comes to talking from the heart, and we can see that heart chakra here, that's where they kind of mumbled on their words, not sure, they get a bit all wobbly in their feet, okay? Now it feels like this person may be really good at there's a saying of looking the part, or they can walk the walk, but can they talk they can talk the talk, but can they walk the walk, okay? And it feels like this person may struggle with that, okay? Oi, 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 oi. So let's have a look now at guess who this person could be. So we're going to just have a look, okay, before we come to a close on this reading for the pile one, to help describe who this person could be, okay? So with this deck, which I wanted to introduce to you all, okay, we're going to reveal the messages that the collective need to see right now about who this person could be, okay? Okay, so who has a crush on you? 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 Now we're gonna sing that energy again, because it really is a great way to bring in that vibrant energy and to help reveal those messages. Okay, so we can see a lot of these chakras coming through. So we're going to reveal those messages coming through from these chakras. Okay. All right, gonna take another sip of water. Gotta stay hydrated to get those intuitive gems. All right. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Ooh. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Okay. Last shuffle. Thank you. Ooh la la, we've got a lot of juicy, intuitive gems coming through. Collective. So let's see what messages this person wants you to know right now. Okay. Okay. So we have here, we have shy. This person is shy and may take time, okay, to open up to others. It may take time to open up to others. This person could possibly be a Virgo. Okay, we see a lot of earthy energy. Okay, with the pentacles representing the energy of the earth signs. Okay, Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn. So this person could be a Virgo, known for their analytical mind. Okay, and we're seeing a lot of the analytical energy of, should I do this, should I do that, how may it impact our situation, and okay, so they're known for their analytical mind and kindness. They might be detail orientated, okay, or oriented and practical. This person may have the eye color blue. Okay, this person has blue eyes ranging from light sky blue to deep ocean blue. Now, if their eye colors are not blue, perhaps there could be something to do with an eye color, a significant eye color, or something very distinctive about their eyes. Okay, as we saw a lot of messages about, this person may from time to time glance at you. Okay, so there might be something very distinctive about their eyes. Caring. This person is compassionate and shows care for others, often putting others' needs before their own. Now, we saw that energy coming through, okay, in the reads, that they could be very caring. Sports. This person enjoys sports like football, basketball, or running. What is their biggest challenge? So we have an intriguing question. What is their biggest challenge? Now let's have a look and see what could be their biggest challenge. What is their biggest challenge? We're going to use another deck, tarot deck. What is their biggest challenge? But we can kind of see so far that their biggest challenge is coming towards you. Okay, what is their biggest challenge? What is their biggest challenge? What is their biggest challenge? And we saw the Seven of Cups. The Seven of Cups is telling us their biggest challenge is getting that clarity and really like overcoming their feelings, and it's like overcoming their thoughts and feelings so that they are sync with how they think and feel, so they can make that decision. Because look, what if you see what's going on here, okay, there's that heart, and it's like they need to really get clear with what is it that they want. Okay, we also have another question: what motivates them every day? So let's have a look and see what motivates them every day. What motivates them every day? What motivates them every day? What motivates them every day? Looks like I'm trying to come through. What motivates them every day? This person who has a crush on you. Ooh, okay. So we have the Ace of Swords. Like, it could be like something, finding clarity, enjoying like their sense of purpose. Because we have the King of Swords and we have the Wheel of Fortune. So it feels like this person, what motivates them is like having that sense of purpose, enjoying what they do, okay? And again, it feels like this person is very good at dealing with situations, okay? And seeking the clarity, or like being able to be very logical and looking at the pros and the cons, and again, it could be that analytical nature that we saw earlier, but it could also be that they struggle when it comes to their love, okay? Being able to apply that, or being able to navigate, because when it comes to love, it requires connecting with your feelings. And if you see with this lots of swords energy, the swords representing the air signs, okay, or the air energy, with the air, it's asking you to kind of detach from the feelings to be able to kind of see the right from the wrong, see the pros to the cons, etc., etc. Okay. However, when it comes to that, this person may not be great. Okay. All right. So we have unexpected twists. We have a wild card here. This card suggests that there is a surprise element in the relationship or situation with this person. Okay, let's have a quick look. Unexpected twist. Unexpected twist. What could be the unexpected twist? What could be the unexpected twist? What could be the unexpected twist? We have the Eight of Swords. So the unexpected twist is that this could result to maybe both parties being in this energy, because there's so much of like this energy of should I make that move, you know, and it feels like, especially as we saw the crown energy, the crown chakra energy, that it's kind of saying that things could kind of just stay here if both parties don't take action. Okay. We have Leo. So this person could be known for their confidence and generosity. They might enjoy being in the spotlight and is often very charismatic. Career. This person values their career and professional achievements. They might be very focused on their work and career growth. Wild card, Twin Flame. This card indicates a deep spiritual connection or soulmate energy between you and this person. What do they fear? So we'll have a quick look. What do they fear? But we can kind of see that fear. Okay. What do they fear? What do they fear? What do they fear? What do they fear? Ooh, they fear. So there's a deep fear of, we have the Ace of Pentacles. So with the Ace of Pentacles, it represents stability, security, new opportunities. Okay, think of finance. So again, we saw a lot of energy about growth. Okay, and perhaps that could be a deep fear for them, maybe like feeling like they're being in a stagnant position. So they like opportunities of growth, opportunities where they can excel in their career, and it feels like this person is very ambitious. Okay, now we have the message business. Okay, so perhaps this person works in business. They could be an entrepreneur, a manager, or a salesperson. Okay, we have another wild card, a mystery person. So this could be a mystery person. This card represents someone who's completely unexpected, who has feelings for you. Ooh la la. We have height, short. This person is shorter than average in height. We've got a personalized message. So, collective, you need to hear this. You are loved. And if you see this message, let this be your reminder that you are loved, supported, and to embrace self-love. What is their biggest regret? So we're going to have a quick look on that, but we're going to keep going with these messages. Embrace change. This card encourages the viewer to embrace change and be open to new possibilities in love and life. So this could also be a message that this person needs to hear, to embrace change, okay? Or to embrace new opportunities coming through. Now we have hair color blonde. So there could be something to do with hair color. Okay, if they're not blonde, it could also, maybe there could be something to do with hair color. Okay, this person has blonde hair ranging from platinum to dirty blonde. Oh, we got what is their guilty pleasure. So we'll continue there. We have outgoing. This person is sociable and enjoys being around people. This person might be the life of the party and enjoys social gatherings. We have hair color black. So this person has black hair. It could be jet black or dark brown that appears black under certain lighting. Wealth. This person values financial stability and wealth. They might be focused on building financial security. And we saw that with the Ace of Pentacles that came out earlier. Yes, there's the Ace of Pentacles that came out earlier. Adventurous. This person loves adventure and trying new things, be it travel, sports, or new hobbies. Spirituality. This person values spirituality and personal growth. They might engage in practices like meditation or religious activities. Now we're going to have a look at what is their biggest regret. Okay, let's have a look. What wants to come through? What is their biggest regret? What is their biggest regret? Okay, what is their biggest regret? What is their biggest regret? Ooh, we have the 9 of Swords and we have the 10 of Swords. So, collective, do you see there's a lot of overthinking? There's a lot of overthinking coming through, and it feels like this person may have regrets of how, like, maybe not taking action on certain things. And it feels like it feels like when it comes to love, they may have not been really good at those things. Okay? And it feels like there's a lot of regrets there. And perhaps this person may have prioritized work and use work as a distraction. Okay, now we're going to have a look at what is their guilty pleasure. Oh la la. Okay, what is their guilty pleasure? 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 Ooh la la. We have the 5 of Pentacles and the 6 of Pentacles. Okay, so what is their guilty pleasure? So with the Five Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles, this is telling us, well, perhaps with their guilty pleasure, it could be something to do with finances, money. It could be maybe helping others. Okay. It could be something like that they might like to do. Perhaps this person may have a very the word that's coming from, like a philanthropist. Okay, they might have that kind of energy. Perhaps they enjoy doing that, or being in the position where they can help others. But perhaps there could also be this energy of, because it feels like we have the Emperor here, and we have the Five of Cups. So it feels like perhaps this person may have been in a position of not having much. So now that they do have the Two of Wands, we see the Two of Wands, it gives them that freedom, that element to go and help others, to do their bit, okay, in the world, okay. So perhaps now they see that as like that's something, or remembering what maybe like a time, maybe there was like a bad time, maybe struggles with money in the past. So you could be dealing with someone who is like financially secure, someone who also, okay, because the last reading there was something to do with a boss energy or something like some entrepreneurial energy coming through. So it feels like perhaps now that they are able to give, and maybe it could even be people who've looked back at them or doubted them, and they're like, look at me now. I'm in this position where I can help others. Look, the scales have turned and worked in my favor. Okay. And it could also be people who maybe was in this position who ignored them. Okay. And they're now in that position where they can offer help. And maybe there is a little, maybe in the background somewhere, okay, they're like, look how I remember how you used to doubt me. Remember how you used to doubt me, and now I am able to give, okay? And we have that King of Cups, okay? And that could be their true, how they really show love is the King of Cups, that energy of wanting to really be vulnerable and emotionally safe, okay? To talk and express their feelings. And perhaps maybe in the past they may not have always been that, had that space. And that could be why they try to always navigate through the lens of their thoughts. But sometimes their thoughts can really put them in this place of, like, it feels like almost like a very complete way of looking at things, okay? Rather than thinking, well, when it comes to love can, it's about prioritizing. So it's this person who has a crush on you, it's definitely someone who's seeking advice, consulting with others who are more experienced. This person is very experienced when it comes to money and managing money, but when it comes to their love, they're not that great. So they're seeking advice. Again, we see the Emperor here. So this is telling us they could be seeking advice from someone who is more experienced. Okay, with the Emperor representing someone who's more experienced, a father figure. Okay, as I like to call it, the daddy of all daddies in the tarot cards. So it's someone who could be more experienced because they want to get to that point. Okay, they could be very good in the King of Swords position of being able to navigate situations and dealing with things, okay, because they don't have a bond or some kind of attachment to a process or some sort. But now when it's feelings attached to this, and they're now realizing, oh my gosh, I'm having feelings for this person, this is where this person they're not so good at it. So if you could be sensing this energy, maybe sensing that they are taking time to maybe have a glance and have a look at you, but they're just not sure how to maneuver. So this has been quite a long read. But take the messages that resonate. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. Okay, I'm going to go and hydrate myself. But do have a look at pile 2 and pile 3 if you feel intuitively drawn. And do have a look at the late nights collective tarot reading. Okay, that's on the channel. Okay, and keep sipping. Stay blessed. Okay, look good, feel good, and take the messages that resonate and leave the rest as so it go. This is Jamaican Patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. And we'll see you on the next one. Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we're on pile 2 and we're exploring who has a crush on you. Now we're going to use some new decks that I've created to support the who has a crush on you readings. So if you are new here, welcome. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. Hey. And to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up. Big hey. Okay, we're going to be exploring, okay, the juicy intuitive messages that want to come through for you. So at Wagwan Tarenti, we like to use, singing, channeling messages, bringing that Caribbean Jamaican flavor into the readings, okay, and using the good old Jamaican proverbs in the mix, okay? So get nice and comfortable as we gather those intuitive, juicy gems. Let us know what you are sipping on today. I'm sipping on some water, okay? So put it in the comments down below what you are sipping on. We'd love to engage with you all. And we like to have, some moments now and then of collective sips, okay? So we can, hydrate together because, I'm going to let you into a little secret. Staying hydrated helps you to gather those intuitive gems and to connect with your intuitive gems. So let's see. Wagwan 4. Pile 2, and Wagwan in Jamaican Patois simply means what is going on. So let's have a look for pile 2. Who has a crush on you? Oi, 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 oi. So who has a crush on you is someone. This person could be a mysterious person. This could be someone who you might be sensing that they have a crush on you, or there's like some kind of like there's some feeling that like you've got this kind of like inkling or feeling like, yeah, this person's feeling me or you're feeling them, but it feels like this person is trying to really not give anything away, okay? They're really not trying to give anything away. Now, it could also be someone, maybe it could be also a secret admirer, okay? Because it's fallen on pile 2. So it could be someone who's in your energy, who is maybe in your, there could be someone that is like the person you least expect, okay? Perhaps like a neighbor or a friend, okay? A mutual, or maybe a mutual friend, okay, maybe someone that you may see on your commute, okay. It feels like it's someone who perhaps you may have like lots of conversation with this person, but deep down they have lots of feelings. Now with the Seven of Swords, the Seven of Swords kind of represents that kind of secretive energy, okay. So perhaps this person, they may like try to appear very helpful, doing lots of things, but really it's because they do have a keen interest. But how they may try to navigate that situation is that they may try to just appear helpful or try to be as supportive as they can. Now the message that came through earlier as well, that perhaps it could be like someone's brother, okay, or a friend or someone's, it came through. Take it where it resonates, collective, but it feels like it's somebody who is moving in a very secretive way. So this could be someone you know, and you could be sensing those feelings, or sensing those energies, or it could be someone who is a secret admirer. Okay, there could be a secret admirer. So let's have a look. We're gonna continue and see what's gonna go. You know what the cards have in store for you. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Jamaican proverbs and see what message wants to come through. So reveal the message the collective need to see right now. Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Ooh la la. Oi, 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 oi. We have Duppy, no who for frighten. Now, we haven't seen this Jamaican proverb in a while. Duppy, know who to frighten. Okay, now this simply means, okay, like an energy of some sort that can maybe come across like intimidating, or it's like to kind of steer you in some way. Now, okay, so in the Jamaican style, let's pronounce it in the Jamaican style like patois. Doppy know who fi frighten. Doppy know who fi frighten. Okay, Doppy know who fi frighten. Okay. So this could be the energy of like bullies. Pick one. Okay, they might pick on someone who's the most vulnerable. Okay, so this is kind of the idea of like protecting yourself. But because we're looking at who has a crush on you, perhaps this person may be doing this or displaying this kind of behavior. Okay, of like coming across and maybe intimidating in a unnerving way. Okay, or perhaps they could be trying to find ways of being around you, but it almost gets to the point like it's like they're annoying you. Okay, because a duppy in Jamaican culture, a duppy represents like a ghost or a spirit. Okay, that can be, you know, that will try to make either to try and fool or scare or like make someone fearful. So this could also be like the energy of someone who's like a bully or tries to boss somebody around. Okay, so perhaps there could be some kind of this energy going on. We're gonna seek some clarification here. Okay, all right, can we have some clarification on this Jamaican proverb? Okay, so why is this Jamaican proverb here? Doppy know who for frightened, doppy know who for frightened, doppy know who for frightened on who has a crush on you, Reed. Why is this here? Okay, let's see what wants to come through. We have oi, 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 oi. Now we have the Five of Pentacles here. So let's take it to tarot school. Okay, so with the Five of Pentacles, this is telling us, okay, there's an energy here of being or feeling like being left out in the cold. Now, the Pentacles here represents like a building, okay, a very luxurious building, okay, where there's warmth there, okay, there's shelter, okay, and these two figures here are out in the cold, okay, weathered, tired, exhausted. Now, with this card coming through, and this is why we say always trust your intuition, use your discernment. Okay, already we're not seeing good vibes here, collective, because it does feel like there could be someone who is attracted to you, they're drawn to you, but it's like how this person may come towards you is like to kind of deal with you in a very, again, it feels like being annoying. Like there's a word here, but we've got to keep it clean and classy. Okay, it just feels like this person's energy. To put it in a kind way, this person who has a crush on you it feels like they don't know how to navigate in love and relationships. So what they do is, if I then act like I don't care about you and I kind of pick at little things at you, or it feels like that's their way of like, well, I'm showing you that I don't care, but I really do care. Okay, so it's a very, the word low vibrational is coming through on how they navigate. Yes, because look what we have. We have the Six of Swords. So there's someone who's stuck in their ways. We have the Two of Pentacles. It's like they're trying to juggle. If should I operate in this way, okay, and deal with this person in that way, okay, even if they might look and go, oh, maybe in the past it hasn't worked for me, but that's all I know. And then we have the Three of Swords. Yes, because look at this. So the way they've dealt with situations before have kind of worked in that way. So it feels like someone who still has quite a lot to learn, who has a crush on you. It does feel like someone who's still got a lot to learn in how to navigate with their feelings, because they're not giving much away. If we can see what's going on here, they're not giving much away. Okay, there's a lot of swords energy. You see, collective, there's a lot of swords energy here. We have the Six of Swords, we have the Seven of Swords, and we have the Three of Swords. Okay, so this is telling us, with the Three of Swords, this person has had past experiences of connections where it may have not always worked out in a favorable way. Now, with this, it seems like this person may still have some work to do when it comes to how they navigate their feelings. And it feels like, almost like, this person has come to this conclusion with the Two of Pentacles, trying to juggle how they should navigate. If I act like this, and it feels like there's a Fool here. Let's have a look and see if that's the Fool trying to pop through. Yes, it is. Oi, 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 oi. It feels like there is a literal energy of the Fool. Okay, so the Fool representing someone taking a leap of faith to start anew. Okay, new beginnings, to go out there, even if, okay, they might feel like, you know what, I'm going into new pastures now. This is something completely new. I don't know how to navigate this, but I'm still going to try. I'm still going to put my best foot forward. Okay, and if I fall on my face, I fall on my face. But then I'm willing to take that lesson to learn, because nothing comes out from not taking action, from not trying something. Okay, however, it feels like this person was like that. There was that kind of vibrant bunny, okay, that would try things and go out there. However, sometimes, life has its trials and its tribulations, and maybe at times it didn't always work the way that they hoped. And now we have the Three of Swords here, because the Three of Swords is telling us that there's been a past here with this person where maybe things haven't worked out. So it's almost like they've developed a detached way of looking at love, and almost looking at love in a way of like, if I look at love in the Five of Pentacles energy, then I won't feel so bad. However, it hasn't worked, and it's resulted to them being in this stuck position, okay, with the Six of Swords, okay? Feeling like, why is this person not maybe giving me the attention that I really want? Because you're moving, look at in that center energy, you can see with the Seven of Swords, you're moving in a secret way. You're not being honest with your feelings, and you're kind of moving in a way where it is kind of giving that low vibrational, not what you truly want. And if you see, there's no cups here. We see a few pentacles, okay, but we don't see any love here, no cups here. So it's like this person has a very detached way of how they show love, but it's not worked in their favor, okay? And this is why it's interesting that it's fallen on pile two, because number two represents the energy of alignment, the energy of balance. Now we can see that energy here with the Two of Pentacles. So this is telling us that this person who has a crush on you, okay, it could be someone who still has some work to do, okay? And collective, we're all about empowerment, we're all about self-love here. And this person is attracted to you, this person is drawn to you, and we can see that, okay? However, there is some things that they need to work on first, because when it comes to maneuvering in relationships and connections, they haven't got a good history of this, okay? And so their ways of trying to navigate is not of a good energy. Okay, what we're seeing here is not of a good energy on who has a crush on you, especially as well with this Jamaican proverb coming through, and it's the energy of like bullying. Okay, like this is something that we do not support. And I always say trust your intuition and use your discernment. Okay. So we're going to take a sip, and it feels like Auntie Self-Love wants to come through and give you a message. Auntie Self-Love is your Jamaican auntie. Your favorite Jamaican auntie coming through. Darling, honey, this energy of somebody, okay, this person might have a crush on you, okay, but know what it is that you want. Know what it is that you want in a person, okay? Because somebody can have a crush on you, all right? But you must know first what it is that you want in a person. What is it that you want in a partner, so that you can attract that energy to you, all right? Because if you're not clear with what is it that you want, okay, you might attract. Yes, you're not attract because you're a very beautiful being. You may attract somebody, but it might not be that person or that somebody that is in alignment with you. All right? Okay. All right. Thank you, Auntie Self-Love. You're welcome, darling. You're welcome, honey. So, what Auntie Self-Love was simply saying that be clear with what it is that you want. Okay, be clear with what it is that you want, so that you are attracting, okay, your ideal partner. Okay, because there are going to be lots of people that do have crushes and do have feelings, but it doesn't mean that this person that may have a crush or feeling are for your greater good, okay, or in alignment with you and where you want to be. So there's a message here of really visualizing, collective, and perhaps you can visualize with me. We're going to call on the guardian angels here. We're going to call on Archangel Michael. Okay, Archangel Michael, Archangel Michael, Archangel Michael. I ask that you are present with the collective, okay, and that you are protecting them from any energies that are not serving, not in alignment, so that they are surrounded by good vibrational energy that blesses them, nourishes them, and helps them to flourish. Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, now that, okay, I just want, so now that we've got a little meat on those bones, okay, we can see that it's somebody who doesn't navigate well. So this reading has now taken a bit of a turn. Okay, so we're now going to go and have a look and see why they are like this. Okay, collective. So if you bear with me, we're going to have a quick look and see why they are like this. So let's have a look at these cards. Okay, we're going to look at these oracles and see what's going on here. Okay, so who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Why is this person like this? 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 Ooh, we didn't even have to do the shuffle, baby. They're just coming through. All right, thank you. Right, let's have a look and see what wants to come through. Okay. Right, so I know that I've crossed the line with you. Look at this. So it's someone who has kind of peed you off in some sort of way. Okay. I want to feel that way again. So they may want to feel that energy, but the energy of like being out there, taking that chance, being the fool. Look at this, the Empress. Because I was going to say, we're going to have a look at the inner child. There could be something to do with a blockage in their like femininity, okay, the divine feminine, their divine feminine energy, because we are a balance of two, okay, we are a balance of the divine feminine and the divine masculine. Now with the masculine energy, that's our ability to go and do things, take action, okay, think of concrete things, okay, like money, securing our money, homes, all those kind of things. When it comes to the divine feminine energy, that represents the energy of us going out there, being able to connect with our feelings, you know, connecting with our level and understanding of intimacy, being able to express how we feel. Now we can see with the heart chakra, with the Three of Swords, that there's a disconnect here. And disconnect has been impacting this person in how they show and express love. Okay? We have, I lost myself for a little while. You came closer than anyone. I love you unconditionally. I'm not available. And it feels like that message that's coming through is that this person may not be available at this time emotionally. And that's why we're seeing a lot of that energy. You and I were too young. Perhaps it could be someone who still has feelings and it's coming through, and so, you know, maybe it's like a past love connection. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. Collective, let us know who this person is. Put it in the comments down below. I wonder if you are happy without me. I will wait for a sign from you. I'm starting to understand our connection. I couldn't let you get too close, or I couldn't let you get close to me. It's time for me to heal. So we can see that energy, that there is a need to heal and work on themselves. You know, there's a saying about hurt people, and it feels like that is the energy that this person is still needing to work on some things. Now, this is the thing about tarot. Okay, and messages from the spirit, messages from the divine, messages from the universe. You never know what the cards can reveal, but there can be lots of healing messages that we all can really take, resonate, and use it, okay? I hope that you can forgive me one day. I want you. Just being near you is intoxicating. Now, we can see that there is a lot of messages coming through here, collective. So, Let's have a look at a chakra message. Let's see what chakra message wants to come through for the collective in regards to this person. Reveal the messages that this person reveal the messages regarding this person's chakra. Reveal the messages. Reveal. Rewind, rewind, rewind. I hope you know what I'm trying to say, okay? So reveal the chakras, okay, that the collective need to see right now regarding this person. Reveal the chakras that the collective need to see regarding this person. Reveal the chakras that the collective need to see regarding this person. Let's have a look and see how this reading has definitely taken a turn. Okay. Ooh, look at that, and it's fallen on the rose quartz. The rose quartz. Now, the rose quartz is all about that energy to like love healing. Okay, healing, love. Okay, it's really good for like connecting with like our heart chakra. Okay, and the way that it's fallen and topped it over, it's very telling here, collective. We have the throat chakra connecting with spirit. So there's definitely telling us that this person has some blockages here, and it feels like it's also the blockages in connecting with that heart chakra, being able to communicate and express themselves. Now, if you can see, there's a little bit of a clue in the card. We see the blue representing the throat chakra. Okay, give you that visual clue as well. So the blue representing the throat chakra, but we can also see the green, which represents the heart chakra. Now, if there are blockages when it comes to the throat, okay, that's usually also a link to what the heart really wants to say, talking from the heart, okay? And this is what we see, that there is a disconnect here with the Three of Swords, okay? This person is talking from a previous hurt, and they may be carrying that same previous hurt in how they navigate, okay, love connections. So perhaps this person, you might be thinking, right, this person's really peeing, like it feels like it's like this energy of someone's peeing somebody off, okay, finding that you like really trying to get under somebody's skin, but it's almost like they've learned, maybe that's how I know you like me then, but again, it's very low vibrational. So the message here is, to connect with spirit, I develop a quiet mind that allows me to tune in and get in touch with my higher self or my spirit. I listen for the guidance that is there waiting for me to hear. I am open to the truth and I welcome spiritual inspiration from others. I will benefit greatly by practicing meditation and stillness. I ask for inner guidance to assist me in getting more in touch with my spirit, and I know that if I ask for guidance, it will be given. So we're going to also have a look and see what the inner child wants to say. Let's see if we're going to use this deck and see what messages from the inner child wants to come through. So messages from the inner child, because the inner child always helps us to have a deeper understanding of what's going on, okay? So, reveal the messages from the inner child. Reveal the messages from the inner child. Reveal the messages from the inner child. Okay, who has a crush on you? Reveal the messages from the inner child. We have the Two of Swords and the Lovers. Look at this, collective. Collective, we have the Two of Swords and the Lovers. So this tells us that there has been some past experiences where this person may have felt like love was not an option for them. Love was something, they may have been mistreated in the past, and this may have impacted on their outlook on love, okay? So it's almost like they've learned a very distorted view when it comes to love. Okay, again, this is interesting because it's come in a who has a crush on you. So it's someone who has feelings, but it's like this person is they sabotage. They sabotage. They sabotage, and they've known that they've sabotaged several times. Okay? Now we're gonna have a quick look and see what's here as well. The front, the middle, and the back. See what's significant here. Yes, we have, look at this again, it's come through again. The Three of Swords. The Three of Swords. So this is telling us that there has been maybe some like past hurt, past pain, and it has impacted this person's outlook on how they share or how they deal with their emotions, deal with love. Okay, we have the Ten of Cups. This is what they really want, but it's almost like they feel like, can I really achieve this? Can I really achieve this? So what we're going to do, again, we called on Archangel Michael. We're going to call on Archangel Michael for this person. Archangel Michael and Archangel Raphael. Okay, and Archangel Haniel and Archangel Camiel. Okay, so Archangel Camiel, Archangel Camiel, Archangel Camiel, Archangel Haniel, Archangel Haniel, Archangel Haniel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Michael, Archangel Michael, Archangel Michael, Archangel Michael. I think I said it 3 times. Call on your energy to help this person to feel love, to help them to continue or to start their journey of healing and to find self-love and to release those blockages or barriers that have hindered them or resulted to self-sabotage. May they find healing within themselves so they are not continuing on a journey of hurting themselves or sabotaging connections with anybody, but also for them to, more importantly, finding self-love with themselves so that they can then tap into that energy of self-love and connecting with their highest self. So may they find that healing, taking that time to work on themselves and letting go of past feelings or past hurt so that they can then fill themselves with love and embrace that feeling of love into their lives. Thank you in abundance. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Woo! Okay. I just saw 12 on the clock. So if we add that together, 1 plus 2, if we like to do the numerology, that gives us 3. So that's a good sign. That's telling us that there's an energy of growth, an energy of growth. So may that energy of growth go towards them. We have that Page of Cups. Look at that. Behind that Page of Cups, we have the Queen of Pentacles. So this could be how they see you, how they view you. Okay, and it could be like they're feeling like so inadequate in how to move towards you. Okay, and we have the Queen of Wands. So with the Queen of Wands, it could also be perhaps maybe they've dealt with someone like that in the past, or maybe they may have operated in that way in the past. Okay, like caring, like acting like they don't care. Okay. But it feels like, or it could have been also maybe like a mother figure, okay, who may have not always shown that care or love. Perhaps they may have had someone around them that might have not been their mother figure that's shown them that energy. Because look what we have, the Fool. So it feels like perhaps this person's inner child in the past may have felt that disconnect to try new things, may have been discouraged, talked out of things, maybe like there might have been a lot of negative energy there, and this person has kind of grown up continuing those patterns. Okay, so This has been very healing, collective. Very healing. So let's have a look now, because it's interesting because it did come through in who has a crush on you, but it's definitely someone who has some past experiences of maybe some, like, a lot of self-sabotage. Okay, and you know, if we see it in the reads, collective, we're always going to say, you know, trust your intuition, use your discernment, but this person requires work. Okay, requires work. So, and we're not one to be like, you know, saying, oh yeah, you do that, you know, you trust your intuition, use your discernment. Okay, and you've had your message from Auntie Self-Love. We've called on the guardian angels. Okay, let's see if there's anything else from this person that they want you to know. Who has a crush on you? 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 Okay, we're going to bring in some more energy. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. With our Shuffle Baby song. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Last shuffle. Thank you. All right. So we have here. Let's have a look and see. I'm going to take a collective sip. We're ready to sip. We're going to take a collective sip of juice or water or tea. Okay. Okay. We have, he has a quirky habit that you may find endearing. Okay. His fashion sense is casual, yet it is very much put together, so it's very impeccable. Okay. He loves animals and they seem to love him back just as much. So maybe this could be the way this person navigates those feelings. Okay. He has a unique sense of humor that matches yours. A hint of cologne lingers long after he leaves. He's passionate about his career and very driven. You often catch him glancing your way. He's an excellent cook and loves to experiment with recipes. He has a knack for making you laugh even on bad days. His creativity shines through in everything he does. He has a quiet confidence that draws people in. He has a passion for music that mirrors your own. A slight stubble that gives him a rugged attractiveness. You feel like you've known him forever, even if you have just met. His thoughtful gestures show how much he cares. There's an air of mystery around him that's intriguing. Okay. Now we're going to have a quick look on guess who this person could be. So we're going to look for some messages with this new deck on any messages to help you, to help describe who this person could be. Any additional messages before we come to a close. Okay. So who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? So we're channeling all of that energy. Who has a crush on you? For the collective who chose pile 2, reveal the messages they need to see right now. Okay. Any more? Any more? Last shuffle. Thank you. Oh, that's falling. We'll take those 2 as well. All right. Oi, 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 oi. Let's have a look and see what's here for the collective. So We have Virgo. This person could be a Virgo, known for their analytical mind and kindness. They may be detail-oriented and practical. We have honesty. This person values honesty and transparency in relationships. They might prioritize truthful, so they might prioritize truthful communication. Now, we already saw that there was definitely energy about the throat chakra, okay? What secret are they hiding? So we're gonna put that down for now. We're gonna have a look at that. What secret are they hiding? But we've kind of been, we've kind of seen a lot of that energy already, okay? Loyalty. This person values loyalty and commitment. They might be very dedicated, so very dedicated to their loved ones, okay? Service. So this person may work in some kind of service or public service, okay, or some kind of work where there's some kind of service that they have to do, okay? So we have some examples here, like a police officer, firefighter, a military personnel, okay? We have Leo. This person could be known for their confidence and generosity. They might enjoy being in the spotlight and is often very charismatic. We have the eye color hazel, okay? This person has hazel eyes or often a mix of green and brown, okay? Or there could be something very significant about eye color here. We have height average. This person has an average height. What do they desire most? So we're going to have a quick look on those questions. Freedom. This person values personal freedom and independence. They might enjoy having the freedom to make their own choices. Introverted. This person is more reserved and enjoys solitude or small groups over large gatherings. Taurus. This person could be a Taurus, known for their reliability and patience. They might enjoy comfort and stability. Hair color grey. This person has grey or silver hair, possibly indicating maturity or age. Friendship. This person values friendships and social connections. They might have a close-knit group of friends. Serious. This person is serious and thoughtful, often focus on goals and responsibilities. Confident. This person is self-assured and carries himself with confidence. This person is imaginative and enjoys creative pursuits such as art, music, or writing. Hair color black. This person has black hair. It could be jet black or dark brown that appears black under certain lighting. And we have height. This person could be shorter than average in height, or they could be shorter than you, or they could just be shorter in the average in height, okay? So we're going to have a quick look at what do they desire the most and what secret are they hiding, okay? So we're going to use the channeled messages deck to see what do they desire the most. Actually, yes, we'll use the channeled messages, and we're going to also use the higher self, looking into the divine masculine and the divine feminine deck. Okay, so just get the divine masculine deck. So what do they desire the most? Let's have a look from the channeled messages. What do they desire the most? What do they desire the most? Let's see what wants to come through. We have our love journey. Look at this. Our love journey is a healing of old scars. So it could be your presence, your energy has made them realize that is something that they need to work on. They need to put that self-sabotaging behavior, they need to put it to rest. They need to, they need to put it to bed and work on themselves, okay? Now let's have a look and see what their healing messages, or what message wants to come through from their higher self. So what do they desire the most? What do they desire the most from their higher self? What do they desire the most from their higher self? What do they desire the most from their higher self? Let's see what wants to come through. Ooh, we have one already. Your smile and laughter is like music to me. I love looking at your smile and seeing your smile. Any more messages from their higher self? Yes, we have. Fashion forward and trendy. Okay, that's something from their higher self. Maybe it's something that they want you to know, or a clue. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the meat and bones. So, from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, your energy inspires me to do better and be a better person. So, collective, this person who have a crush on you, this person is like, it's almost like your energy has created a mirror for them to see what they're doing to themselves. Okay, we saw the Fool twice. We saw the Three of Swords twice. This person definitely is realizing that there's some work that they have to do to get themselves out of that kind of low vibrational muck or energy that has resulted to them self-sabotaging. Okay? Now we're going to have a look at what secret are they hiding. So we're going to use the higher self deck again. So what secret are they hiding? What secret are they hiding? What secret are they hiding? So what secret are they hiding? What secret are they hiding? Any more? What secret are they hiding? Oh, look at this. Juicy, juicy. We have yoga and meditation practitioner. So there's a message here. They could be into this kind of energy, like activities or hobbies or interests. It could be something that they're doing to try and seek healing, okay, or connecting, to try and like work on finding activities that will help them to heal and develop their ability of concentration, being still, okay. And we saw that with the chakra card, okay. There was like an energy of like being still. We also have, I imagine a future with you and it fills me with hope and excitement. Okay. Any more from their higher self? Just one more. Just feel drawn to look for one more. Any more from their higher self? Any more from their higher self? Any more from their higher self? Yes, we have. I value your opinions and insights more than you realize. So even if this person may come across in a way that it feels like they're I have been aggravated, or making you feel aggravated, it's like they value. It's almost like it feels like this person has been let down by a lot of people in the past. So it's like they do this testing thing. Okay, again, it's low vibrational, but it's like it's been their way of trying to protect themselves. Okay, however, it's resulted to a lot of self-sabotage. So, channeled messages, okay, who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? And we're exploring the question. We're exploring what secret are they hiding? I believe it's what secret they're hiding. What secret are they hiding? What secret are they hiding? Okay, we have these that want to come through. With you, I've learnt that true love requires effort and dedication. Look at this. Your wisdom guides me through life's challenges. So that's very much like that full energy coming through again. I appreciate your support in my healing process. So you teach me, you teach me, or you taught me the power of resilience and perseverance. Our bond has taught me about forgiveness and letting go. So, collective, we're going to leave it here. Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. You want to say it with me? Let's come on. Let's do it one more time. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay? I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it. Okay? I saw it go. Just means this is how it goes around here. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay? So be sure to keep sipping so you can stay hydrated to gather those juicy, juicy intuitive gems. Trust your intuition. Use your discernment because we're all about empowering you. Okay? And big up yourselves. Stay blessed, and if you feel drawn to have a look at pile 1 or pile 2, feel free to do so, and do have a look at all of our readings. Okay, our pick a card readings, collective love tarot readings, and our all signs readings. So big up yourselves, and Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pilot 3 and we're exploring who has a crush on you. So if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Big up yourselves. And for our subscribers, big up, big up, big up every time. So I hope you are nice and comfortable as we gather those intuitive, juicy, juicy gems. I'm sipping on some water today. Okay, let us know if you're sipping on some tea, water, or juice. Put it in the comments down below. Okay, so we're going to explore these messages. Who has a crush on you? Okay, so let's see. Wagwan. Now, Wagwan is Jamaican Patois and it simply means what is going on. So let's have a look and see who has a crush on you. Now we have the Temperance card, which is a major arcana. So who has a crush on you? Perhaps it could be someone who has a Sagittarius energy. Okay, it could be somebody who is in this energy of, like, it feels like this person who is connecting or trusting their intuition a lot more, and they're drawn to your energy. Okay, perhaps this person could be also into tarot as well. Sometimes we do get some viewers that perhaps they could also be looking into their love interest. So it could be maybe like a cross watcher. Okay, so it could be someone who is someone who's been working on themselves, and perhaps the two of you could be mirroring one another's energy. Because look, if you look carefully what's going on in the Temperance cards, we also have the Two of Cups here. So there could be someone seeing you like a soulmate energy. Okay, it feels like two kindred spirits. It could be someone who's drawn to you. Someone feels like you're a breath of fresh air. This energy of rejuvenation. It could be someone who's been working on themselves. Okay, with the energy of 3. Okay, really wanting to take that time to work on themselves, build on themselves. Okay, and they may be drawn to your energy, feeling like you could be that person that I'm really looking for, that I would really like to get to know. Okay, and like develop a connection. Okay, but it feels like this person could be very wholesome. Okay, or they could be really working. Now I just saw 3 as well. Okay, on the clock, so there could be this energy of a strong energy of growth is present here, especially seeing the Temperance, on pile 3. Okay, it's definitely a message of growth here. So it's someone who could be really like taking time to maybe meditate or connect with the divine. Perhaps they may pray, all these kind of things. It feels like this it's somebody who's really taking time to work on themselves, and it feels like someone who feels like, there's more to life, and believes that there's a higher purpose out there, and maybe also wanting to work on their own, like connecting with their own higher self, and taking time to work on maybe things in their life that maybe hasn't always worked in their favor. And it could also be they're taking time to reflect on those things and recognizing that there may have been a pattern or pattern in their behavior, and is trying to break those patterns so that they are moving towards, okay, growth. Okay, now in order to get to that, like those ladders of growth or those steps to growth, it's really about taking that time to reflect on yourself, looking deep into your actions, okay, recognizing like, ooh, I was wrong there, I was wrong. That takes a strong level of responsibility and accountability. And it feels like this person who has a crush on you has been moving to those steps of not trying to blame others, okay, for like their faults, but really saying, you know what, I know I need to own up for this. I need to take accountability. I need to take ownership here, because that's the only way I'm going to ascend. That's the only way I'm going to grow. And that's where I want to be. I want to grow. And it feels like it's somebody like who really wants to get to that place and is taking those steps. So seeing the Temperance card is really positive, okay, to see that. So we're going to continue to look and see what else wants to come through. Okay? Oi, 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 oi. So let's have a look. We're going to look at the Jamaican proverbs and see what wants to come through with the Temperance card. So, in regards to seeing the Temperance card here, so can we have a message from the Jamaican proverbs that resonates with this card, okay, with this energy? Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? So who has a crush on you? Ooh la la. Okay, let's have a look. If you can't get the turkey, you have to be satisfied with the crow. So if you can't get turkey, you have to be satisfied with the crow. Now, the crow bird, okay, in Jamaica they call it the John, like it's the John crow, okay, but it's pronounced John crow, John crow. Okay, so if you can't get turkey, you have to satisfy with a John crow. If you can't get the turkey, you have to satisfy with a John crow. Okay, so the John crow, so the crow bird. So this proverb is essentially saying sometimes in life you might be planning to do all these things, achieve all these goals, but sometimes there might be spanners in the work, but that could also be a spiritual test to see, right, you know what, yeah, we can see that you want to plan, but also, we live in the universe. We live in the energy of where there's divine power, and ultimately it's divine power that takes lead. So if we are in alignment with that energy and we recognize the importance of showing gratitude, love, and all these kind of things, okay, and doing our best. No one's perfect, like there's the energy of no one's perfect, but we do our best to do good to others, okay, to allow that energy to flow. You see, just like the angel energy that we see here with the Temperance card. So see this angel as like an archangel Raphael, okay, coming to just pour, and like that healing energy, okay, rejuvenating. Every time it's pouring, it's just rejuvenating that energy over and over again. Now, this Jamaican proverb is essentially giving us this energy here, that sometimes we don't always get what we want, but it's about being thankful for what we do have. Because if we are thankful for what we do have, this now allows us to to open those doors, to open those gates. And you can see that energy here. Okay, we're going to take it back to tarot school at Gwan, tarot and tea. You see that sun? That sun is representing the energy of abundance. Okay, that sun there is representing that energy of abundance and that pathway, okay, to that abundance. Okay, so this person, this is giving us a clue about this person. Perhaps this person may, okay, they might be older than you or same age, or they might be someone who is very much about recognizing that, you know, there is a higher power, someone who's like really taking that opportunity now to reflect on things, taking accountability, wanting to grow. It could be even being like this person's being mindful of who they talk, like who they talk with, and who they like, their circle that they keep. Perhaps they may even keep their circle small because they cherish having good company around them, especially because like it seems like this person is now on this spiritual journey of their own, wanting to connect to that higher self. Okay, being balanced, being union with their divine feminine and their divine masculine energy. Okay, healing the inner child, working on themselves. Okay, just like how we may go out, get our hair done, do our nails, go to the gym. That's all like investment in our physical self. This person feels, this crush, it feels like they're also working on their spiritual self. Okay, building that substance. Okay, building that substance. Oi, 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 oi. Ooh la la. So let's have a look now with some additional messages. Okay, so we are going to start with some messages from the Who Has a Crush on You. Who has a crush on you? Let's see what wants to come through. I'm going to take a sip. Are you ready? We're going to have a collective sip. Well, I'm going to have a sip of water. You have a sip on your tea or your juice. Okay, as just so we can gather those juicy, intuitive gems. Okay, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, share and comment. By subscribing, it helps me to connect with your energy. Okay. All right. So let's have a look and see what messages want to come through. So, reveal the messages the collective need to see on this crush. Who has a crush on you? This person that has a crush on you. Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? We have the Temperance card here. And the Temperance has revealed a lot of messages about this person. Reveal the messages that the collective need to see right now. Who has a crush on you? And we're going to use the shuffle baby to bring out this energy, this vibrant energy, because we have that Sagittarius energy. Okay, the word Uranus, okay, is coming through. Okay, the planet Uranus, and that's all like, you know, the energy of. It feels like a lot of transformative energy, taking action, and the Fool is coming through, like taking that leap of faith. So we're gonna see if those energies are coming through here in these cards. Okay, shuffle, baby, shuffle, baby, yeah, shuffle, baby, yeah, ooh, shuffle, baby, yeah. Shuffle, baby, shuffle, baby, yeah, shuffle, baby, yeah, shuffle, baby, yeah. All right, let's see if any more. Last shuffle. Thank you. Okay, yes, there is a lot of energy here for the collective. All right. Let's have a look and see what messages they want you to know right now. So, he has a quirky habit that you find enduring. You feel an electric connection when he's near you. So you feel an electric connection when he's near you. He's an excellent cook and he loves to experiment with recipes. Ooh la la. You feel like you've known him forever, even if you have just met, and perhaps that could be, that there's a spiritual connection with you and this person. You often find him, or you catch him glancing your way. He has a passion for music that mirrors your own. His eyes hold secrets that he is yet to share with anyone. He values honesty and integrity above all else. He has a collection of something unique that fascinates you. Ooh, collective, do put it in the comments down below. Okay, there's lots of clues here. Let us know. Okay. He has an infectious enthusiasm for life, and perhaps this is why these messages of like the Fool and Uranus and all these things were coming through, because there could be this energy of like really wanting to be a student, okay, when it comes to life and wisdom and learning, okay, and connecting to their spiritual self. So you know what, we're going to have a look into their higher self as well, because it's like their higher self is really talking to us right now. His hands are strong. Ooh la la. We'll keep it clean and classy. But they're strong yet, strong but yet gentle when he touches you. So we'll keep it clean and classy. Okay. You've seen him volunteer or help others selflessly. He enjoys sports and staying fit. His hair is tousled, okay, so in that effortlessly cool way. His voice, ooh la la, has a soothing and captivating quality. His adventurous spirit matches your own wild sides. Ooh la la. Do you see this energy again about spirits and coming through? So there's definitely that, like, an energy that you both could be connecting with one another's energy. You both could be mirroring one another's energy. Let's have a look at the Simply Deep Tarot. Let's see what wants to come through. Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Reveal the messages the collective who chose pile 3 need to see right now. Who has a crush on you? We have the Hierophant. So the Hierophant is the energy. We're going to take it to tarot. Let's take it to tarot school at Gwan, Auntie. Okay. So the Hierophant is very much that Taurus energy. It's the energy of being grounded. It's the energy of connecting with the earth. Okay. The Hierophant represents the energy of like a teacher, a leader. Okay. Think of institutions, governance, all those kind of things. Now, with this energy being here, okay, it could be that perhaps this person might have Taurus in their chart, or you might have Taurus in your chart, but it feels like with the Hierophant, it's like this person is going through their own journey of learning. Again, what we said earlier, being a student of life. Learning, understanding that, sometimes in life you could be planning and it doesn't always work the way you may have hoped, but it's how you deal with those lessons. It's how you work on on those lessons. Okay, it's how you make those things, help you to excel, not to break you. It's how you rejuvenate yourself. It's how you start over, okay? Whether it's starting over again at 20, starting over again at 30, starting over again at 40, starting over again at 50, starting over again at 60. It's how you take on those lessons and how you take those lessons and you work with those lessons, and to help you to grow and to ascend, taking ownership, okay, of your of faults, patterns of behavior that have not served you, so that you are in alignment, connecting with your self-love, healing, working on oneself, recognizing that one person, just like fitness, doesn't stay. It's something you have to continually work on, just like your self-love, your confidence, all those things you work on, and you surround yourself in good environments that will nourish you. This is the energy of the Hierophant, and this is telling us this person has come to this conclusion. This person has come to this like awakening or sense of like realization of, this is what I need to continue to do for myself. Okay? Seven of Wands. The Seven of Wands is telling us that perhaps this person has become very much in this energy of like staying firm, being resilient, okay, from maybe any energies that haven't served them in the past, because they are moving. It's like it's almost like, because they have this awakening now, because they have this energy of like, no, it's like someone, it feels like this person's saying, when you know better, you do better. They've got to that place now. So it's kind of like, this person could be, what's also coming through, this person could be very attractive. However, it feels like this person wants meaningful connections. This person wants a connection that mirrors where they are heading to and where they want to be. Okay? So if you look carefully, there's a lot of female interest here. Can you see all those females? Okay? But it feels like it's saying, it feels like the message that's coming through is that this person may have had a lot of female interest, or a lot of love interest, but what they're looking for, and if you see what we see, and there's another clue, we have the Hierophant and the Temperance. This is telling us this person wants something more meaningful. This person may want something that would lead to marriage. This person could be wanting something that would lead to a strong, loving commitment. And it feels like also a spiritual commitment. Okay? Collective, look what we have here. We have the King of Cups. Now the King of Cups is someone, and if you look carefully, can you look and see those silhouettes in the back, just embracing the sunsets, just looking at the sunset and just enjoying one another's time, enjoying those intimate moments with one another. This is what this person wants. The King of Cups, again, we're taking it to tarot school, okay? With the King of Cups, this is they're embodying that energy of not feeling no way, don't feel no way in expressing how they feel. Feeling confident with them, like expressing their love energy, really operating from that heart chakra, connecting with that heart chakra, connecting with their heart, connecting with their feelings, and letting that guide them. Showing gratitude, being thankful for the little things as well as those big things, and yearning to be able to enjoy those moments with someone that they love, someone that they are attracted to, but also that they are spiritually aligned with. Look at this. And we have the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups is just under the King of Cups. So this is telling us that even though they have the King of Cups energy, they also have that Knight of Cups energy of, keeping things fresh, wanting to serenade, wanting to sing, wanting to go out there, and really embrace that love energy. And that's what they're really looking for. And they're really hoping, if you see it like where their hand is placed on the heart, singing, singing from that heart chakra, connecting to that heart chakra. This is where this person wants to be. This is where they want to be aligned. This person, it really has intentions of wanting something that connects with their higher self. Okay, so ooh la la. So we're gonna have a look at their higher self. Let's see what wants to come through from their higher self. So messages from their higher self, messages from their higher self, messages from their higher self. Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? What does the collective need to see? Who chose pile 3 right now? Who has a crush on you? Messages from their higher self. Put it in the messages down below, but ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh wee. There's a lot they want to tell you from their heart. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Any more? Any more? Okay. We didn't even have to sing our shuffle baby song. Okay, they were just like, nope, I don't feel no way. You can tell Shotty. you can tell my little queen. Okay, we have the way you understand me without words is truly special. Oy, 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 oy. I find myself thinking about you when doing everyday tasks. So you might be sensing their energy. There might be a telepathic energy. There may be an intuitive connection here already between you two. Your energy alone brings me a sense of calm and comfort. We have green finger gardening. Message from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. I want this love to work just like you do. Ooh la la. We have animal lover, pet owner. We have passionate about photography. We have yoga and meditation practitioner. We have divine masculine to divine feminine. Your energy inspires me to do better and be a better person. There's a message of straight here. And I do wonder if I am good enough for you. Okay? So we're going to have a look at some guess who messages. Let's have a look and see what guess who messages wants to come through. Guess who? Okay, so just to help you to describe who this person is or could be, we're going to have a look and see what messages want to come through. Okay, so for the collective who chose pile 3, who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Who has a crush on you? Reveal the messages that the collective Reveal the messages that this person wants you to see right now. Okay? Who has a crush on you? Reveal the messages that the collective need to see right now. Okay. Ooh, woo. We just had just a whole couple of messages just reveal itself. Any more? 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 Last shuffle. One just fell on the floor. Okay. Thank you. Just quickly pick up that one. No. Yes. Okay. So let's gather these juicy, intuitive gems. Before we do, we're going to have a quick sip. Let's have another collective sip. Okay. Here's a tip. You know, staying hydrated really allows you to gather those juicy, intuitive gems. So we're going to take a sip of water or a sip of tea or a sip of juice or, you know, of your favorite beverage or your snack. But, you know, something to hydrate you. All right, you ready? Let's hydrate. All right. So we have shy. This person is shy and may take time to open up to others. Sports. This person enjoys sports and likes football, basketball, or running, or they could just be very much into sports, okay? Or it could be something to do with their fitness and looking after themselves, okay? Eye color, blue. This person has blue eyes, ranging from light sky blue to deep ocean blue. Or this person, it could be something significant about their eyes, okay? If they don't have blue eyes, they could have brown, green, or grey. What is their guilty pleasure? So we're going to put that one down for now. We're going to have a look later on. Caring. This person is compassionate and shows care for others, often putting their own needs before, often putting others' needs before their own. Creative fields. So perhaps this could be their career or occupation. This person works in creative fields such as being an artist, writer, or musician. We have another intriguing question. What secret are they hiding? So we'll put that one down and have a look as well. Hair color, black. This person may have black hair. It could be jet black or dark brown that appears black under certain lighting. The message of wealth has come through, and this could also be the spiritual wealth that we see. This person has or financial wealth, okay? So this person values financial stability and wealth. They might be focused on building financial security. We have a message here of staying positive. So this card reminds the viewer to maintain a positive outlook and mindset even during challenging times in relationships. Okay. What is their biggest challenge? So we're going to have a look. Perhaps this could also be what this person has learnt, okay? Again, recognizing that, you know, sometimes life can have trials and tribulations, but it's how they deal with those situations, okay? Perhaps this person could be a Pisces. Okay, so Pisces, known for their compassion and artistic nature. They might be highly empathetic and intuitive. So we do see this strong empathetic and intuitive energy, okay, coming through. Ambitious. This person is driven and has big goals they want to achieve in life. We have education. This person works in education as a teacher, professor, or researcher, or perhaps they may do some kind of administrative type of work, okay, or work in like an office or some sort, okay. Or we do also see that Hierophant energy, so there could be some kind of teacher or leader energy coming through, okay. And we have technical. So this person works in technical fields such as engineering, IT, or science. So now we're going to look at these questions, these intriguing questions, and see what wants to come through, okay. So we're going to use the channeled messages deck, and we're going to see what wants to come through for the collective. So let's have a look at what is their biggest challenge. What is their biggest challenge? What is their biggest challenge on this person who has a crush on you? What is their biggest challenge? We're using the channeled messages, okay? Let's have a look. Ooh, we have a couple of messages. Let's have a look. Your love is a transformative force in my life. I'm learning the art of balance because of you. I feel more connected to my higher self because of you. Oi, 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 oi. We've been seeing a lot of this higher self energy coming through. Together, we are manifesting our dreams and aspirations. Ooh la la. I see our relationship as a canvas for personal growth. Collective, look at this. You inspire me to nurture my inner light. And we have this one here. Yes. Your presence encourages me to live authentically. Ooh la la. So, what secret are they hiding? What secret are they hiding? We're going to look into the higher self with the higher self deck. Let's have a look and see what it wants to tell you. So, what secret are they hiding? What secret are they hiding? What secret are they hiding? Reveal the messages from their higher self. This person who has a crush on you, reveal the messages from their higher self. Okay? Who has a crush on you, reveal the messages from their higher self. What are they hiding? What secret are they hiding? Okay, let's have a look. Something's trying to come through. Okay, any more? Any more? Last shuffle. Yes, thank you. Alright, so we have... There's something to do with a dazzling smile. They may find that you have a very much a dazzling smile, very attracted to the way it feels like they're attracted to the way light, how your face lights up when you smile. There's an alluring scent that you carry, and they're very drawn to it, very attracted to it. Ooh la la. Oi, 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 oi. I'm afraid to admit how deeply I have fallen for you, collective. And we also have that this person may be a car enthusiast. So they could be, it could be something that, like one of their hobbies or their interests that they want to share and let you know. Okay? Now, we're going to also look into what is their guilty pleasure. We're going to explore with the late night thoughts. Let's have a look and see what is their guilty pleasure. Okay, so reveal their guilty pleasure with the late night thoughts. Reveal their guilty pleasure with the late night thoughts. Who has a crush on you? This person who has a crush on you. Reveal their guilty pleasure with the late night thoughts deck. Ooh la la. Let's have a look and see what wants to come through. Okay. What is their guilty pleasure? What is their guilty pleasure? Ooh, what is their guilty pleasure? Alright, last shuffle. Thank you. Okay, so we have a couple of messages, collective, for you. Ooh la la. We have here their whispered promises of love and devotion echoes in my heart. And we can see that energy. Look at that. Okay, those whispered promises. Look at all the couple in the back. Can you see that couple here? Like those two couples. Okay. This person really wants to have those moments with somebody. We have the message about the last time they saw you. The last time I saw them, okay, their tousled hair and radiant smile took my breath away again. Ay, 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 ay. Definitely a message about the way your face lights up when you smile, okay? How you carry yourself, they're very attracted to it. And there's another clue here. If you can see again, carefully, hope you can see that. This person here, this person right here, do you see how the hair is tousled? Okay, it's like they're looking, it looks like they're being serenaded with a guitar. Hope you can see that. Okay. Their scent lingers in my senses, reminded me of the intoxicating pull of their presence. So they're very attracted to your scent. Okay. Ooh la la. These guilty pleasures. We have the last time we embraced, I felt a connection so profound it left me craving more. Now, the late nights, it's coming from their subconscious, their dreams, those late night thoughts. But there's definitely a lot of energy here reminiscing about how you make them feel. Now, the song that's coming through is Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, The Way You Make Me Feel. Do have a look at those lyrics, okay? Or have a listen to the song in your own time, okay? Because there's a lot of messages in that song that will resonate with this reading. Ooh la la. Oy, 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 oy. Now, the last time I saw them smile, it was as if the world was suddenly a brighter place. Now, again, this is the type of connection they are looking for, collective. They are looking for a connection that will help them to, really embrace fully, their higher self, connecting, working towards that higher self, a connection where they are continually like they're growing with the hierophant, learning, okay. And this person seems like they want to just grow, and they want a partner that will grow with them. They are tired of this energy of like maybe inconsistent situationships with people. It feels like this person is a very attractive person, but they are drawn. It's the message that's coming through. Okay, we're gonna put it in the Jamaican style. It is you them want. It is you them want. Them want you. Okay, it is you them want. Them want you, darling. Honey, it's you them want. You know, see it. You know, see what the cards I tell you. This person wants you. This person wants you. They want you. And you them want. Okay, so this simply means it simply means thank you, Auntie Self Love. You're welcome, darling. You're welcome, honey. Okay, what Auntie Self Love is simply saying, it's you they want. It's clear to see it's you they want. That's what it said. Listen to the lyrics of Michael Jackson's song, The Way You Make Me Feel. Okay, because the song, there's a lot of clues in that song. And as you can see, there's a lot of singing from the heart, talking from the heart, navigating from the heart. The way you make me feel. Okay, we're going to leave it there because we're going to keep it clean and classy. But last but not least, their laughter is like a balm that heals any wounds from the day. So, collective, let us know, put it in the comments about this person. This person is feeling you. Okay, feeling you. So, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Okay, I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay, I saw it go is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. Take the message that resonates and leave the rest. But be sure to keep sipping, look good, feel good, stay blessed, and if you feel drawn to have a look at pile 1, pile 2, okay, just take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. But do have a look at all of our other readings. Okay, our collective love tarot readings, our all signs readings, and our pick a card readings. Okay, and you just gather those juicy intuitive gems. But big up yourselves and we'll see you on the next one. Gwan.